So this is the lovely surprise that greeted us this morning. A little drip, drip, drip out of our hot water tank. One of those 300 litre range Tribune tanks. Seems to be, from all accounts, quite an issue, quite a situation. So our thermo-pocket allows you to either put a thermostat, or in our case we have a temperature probe, and that controls the pump from our solar panel to know what the temperature in the tank is and stuff like that. So that pocket there is actually leaking internally. So after I turned off the cold water supply, the next problem was you have a tank full of water. So in order to release that back through the cold water inlet, this tank, of course, is upstairs. And we just released the vacuum in the tank by disconnecting the hot water outlet once all the pressure has been relieved out of the tank, and the water's just hanging out in the tank. So that allows air into the tank and down the hot water pipe and drains it through the hot water pipe. And it also allows the water to drain through the cold water supply back down into the cold taps. All of this system is pressurized, of course. It's a 2-bar, and we have all kinds of nice things like pressure reducing valves. We have anti-scald mixing valves as well on this, so you get a mix of hot, cold depending on the temperature coming out of the tank. So right now just waiting for the tank to drain down, and then we'll unscrew this pocket and get it out and get a replacement in there. And we have been able to get a thermal pocket from Green Line Plumbing in Carrick and Shannon. They have this nice complete stainless steel thermal pocket, 1/2 inch BSP thread fittings, measures around 20.8 millimeters on the outside. So if that's what you need to do, if you have a similar problem, that's what you get. Okay, so we'll just wait for that to drain down, then we can unscrew the thermal pocket.